Welcome back to another video from PixLogik. In this video I'm going to start off where we left on the last video, and I'm going to fix the coin collection count. So we're going to go into Managers, Retro Adventure, Progress Manager, and we're going to change this to level 1. We'll hit play. And the count goes up. And it's there. This is what we're going to change next. This screen here. So we're going to open Retro Adventure UI Camera, Canvas. In fact, we'll just go to the prefab one here. The level complete splash, and we have to tick this box up here to show it because it is hidden. Now the castle I'm going to remove. I'm going to move the text title up. We're going to change the stars to the circle. And we're going to spread them out a bit. Let's put these up to, let's put them up to 400. We will duplicate 2 more. Let's put star 1 at 200. $100. Okay, and we will do another 5. Let's stick that at 520. Let's have a look at this. Okay, and remember to untick this box. We'll test it in scene. That looks good. We'll go back into menu, we'll save that. Now I've made a new background image here. I'm going to go into my sprites, I'm going to drag it in. I'm not going to change any of the settings for this one. We'll drag and drop that up there. We'll go back to level 1. We will open up our prefab for the UI camera again. Now I'm going to change this avatar head and the background, so I'm going to delete the head, leaving just the background. I'm going to go back into sprites and pull in an image I made. I'm going to change this one to point, none, and apply. And I'm going to drag this up. So we press play now. Yeah, we've got our little character on the top there. Okay, I just upped the transparency on that just to make it easier to see. I'm going to change the icon. I think that's us pretty much done with the UI. It's just some tidying up that needs to be done now. So if we go back into level 1, our progress manager, we need to change this to level 2. We need to up our max stars to 10. Collected stars to 10. And we just click add and it puts them up for us. Now the first level is always going to be unlocked, so we can tick that. Take this to 10. And when we add 3, 4 and 5 levels, you would just keep adding levels to this. So if you had 20 levels, it'd be the same thing. What I want to do is open my prefabs, and we're going to drag down our progress manager, create an original prefab, and then we're going to go into our menu. I'm going to delete that one. And we're going to drag that one up. We're now going to open level 2. Go into our managers, and we are going to delete that one and open prefabs. We go back into level 1 and our retro adventure UI camera and open our prefab. We're going to come down to our level complete splash again. Let's just open that up. And button level selection, background. Just make sure the level name in that is menu. So it's different than that, change it to menu. We then go back up to our level complete splash and untick that. Come back out of the prefab. Just make sure that one's not ticked. Okay, now we just press play. And if you go back to level selection, this should now take you back to the menu. That'll do for this video. In the next video I will go on to some level design, as I think that's us pretty much through the UI. So I will see you in that video, and thanks for joining me in this one. Goodbye.